With the Southern African Development Community Summit fast approaching in Harare this August, President Emmerson Mnangagwa's government is on high alert. And it's not just a standard alert, it's an intense, almost paranoid state of readiness. You see, the recent violent anti-tax protests in Kenya have set off alarm bells for Mnangagwa. During a ZANU-PF Politburo meeting, he made it clear dissent will be crushed. He emphasized that his administration won't tolerate any form of opposition, especially in the lead-up to this critical summit. Just today, Information Minister Jenfan Muswe issued a stern warning. He spoke out against what he termed subversive activities by opposition groups and civil society organizations. Muswe stressed that the government is fully committed to maintaining law and order. This signals a hard stance against anyone perceived to challenge the current regime. As we approach the SADC summit, the government's rhetoric has only intensified. The opposition and CSOs are on high alert, aware that any misstep could lead to severe repercussions. So, what does this mean for Zimbabwe? Well, it's a tense atmosphere, to say the least. The government's hard stance is likely to stifle any form of public dissent in the coming weeks. The focus is on presenting a unified, controlled image during the summit, no matter the cost. But remember, this isn't just about Zimbabwe. The actions taken here will resonate across the region, possibly setting a precedent for other nations grappling with similar issues. All right, folks, that's it for today's deep dive. Keep your eyes on Zimbabwe as we approach the SADC summit in August. This story is far from over. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay informed, stay engaged. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.